Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to choose the best cider vinegar for maximum health benefits. Cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, and it's also a popular ingredient in many different types of recipes. But with so many different types of cider vinegar on the market, it can be hard to know which one is the best for you. That's why in this video, we'll be discussing the different types of cider vinegar available, their health benefits, and how to choose the best one for you. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's talk about how to choose the best cider vinegar for maximum health benefits. There are three main types of cider vinegar: raw, unfiltered, and pasteurized. Raw and unfiltered cider vinegar is made from the juice of crushed apples, and it's the most beneficial for your health. It contains the mother, which is a natural sediment that contains enzymes and good bacteria that are beneficial for your gut. These enzymes and good bacteria can help with digestion, improve gut health, and even boost the immune system. It has a cloudy appearance, and it's the most potent and most beneficial for health. For example, taking a tablespoon of raw and unfiltered cider vinegar mixed with water before a meal can help with digestion, and can even help you feel full faster, leading to weight loss. Pasteurized cider vinegar, on the other hand, is made from the juice of pressed apples. It's been heated to high temperatures to kill any bacteria, but it also kills all the beneficial enzymes and bacteria that are found in raw and unfiltered cider vinegar. It's clear in appearance and it's less potent than raw and unfiltered cider vinegar. For example, if you're using pasteurized cider vinegar for cleaning or as a natural remedy, it won't be as effective as using raw and unfiltered cider vinegar. When you're looking to buy cider vinegar, make sure to read the label and look for one that says raw or unfiltered. This will ensure that you're getting the most beneficial type of cider vinegar. Another important aspect to consider is the acidity level. The acidity level is measured by the percentage of acetic acid that it contains. The higher the acidity level, the more potent the cider vinegar will be. A good quality raw and unfiltered cider vinegar will have an acidity level of at least 5%. This will ensure that you're getting the most beneficial type of cider vinegar. For example, a raw and unfiltered cider vinegar with an acidity level of 6% will be more potent than one with an acidity level of 4%. It's also important to consider the type of apples that are used to make the cider vinegar. Apples that are grown organically and without the use of pesticides or chemicals will provide the most health benefits. Eating organic fruits and vegetables is beneficial for your health as they don't contain harmful pesticides, and they contain more nutrients. For example, if you're using cider vinegar for hair growth or skin care, organic apples are better as they contain more nutrients that will benefit your hair and skin. Another thing to consider is the taste. Some people may not like the strong taste of raw and unfiltered cider vinegar. For this, you can look for a brand that offers cider vinegar with added flavors like apple, honey, or ginger. This will make it easier to consume and you'll enjoy the taste more. For example, if you're using cider vinegar as a salad dressing, you can use a honey and apple cider vinegar, which will be more pleasant to the taste. You can also use raw and unfiltered cider vinegar in different ways. For example, drinking it mixed with water before meals, adding it to salad dressings, marinades, or using it as a condiment. You can also use it as a natural remedy for conditions such as sore throat, sinus infections, or even as a natural remedy for skin conditions like eczema or acne. For example, you can dilute raw and unfiltered cider vinegar with water and use it as a toner for your face. It will help to balance the pH of your skin and reduce the appearance of acne. It's important to note that consuming too much cider vinegar can cause damage to your tooth enamel and throat, so it's best to consume it in small amounts and diluted with water. Always dilute 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar in a glass of water before consuming it. It's also important to consult with your doctor before adding cider vinegar to your diet, especially if you're taking medication for diabetes or have a chronic health condition. In conclusion, choosing the best cider vinegar for maximum health benefits is important. Raw and unfiltered cider vinegar is the most beneficial. It contains the mother, which is a natural sediment that contains enzymes and good bacteria that are beneficial for your gut. Look for an acidity level of at least 5%, and make sure the apples used are grown organically. Additionally, you can consider the taste. If you don't like the strong taste of raw and unfiltered cider vinegar, you can look for a brand that offers cider vinegar with added flavors like apple, honey, or ginger. You can also use it in different ways, such as in salad dressings, marinades, or even as a natural remedy for skin conditions or sore throat. Remember, always consult with your doctor before adding cider vinegar to your diet, and consume it in small amounts and diluted with water. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.